camera working. Man, it's been a minute since y'all seen me again. Man, YouTubing is kinda, I don't know, it's like YouTubers be saying, it's hard to pick up a camera. But you know, I will make another video about what I've done to my car since the last video that I made. Obviously, I got tints. And I put some new headlights in, cause you know, factory come with like them yellow shits, I don't like that. But tonight might be an interesting night. I'm gonna go ahead and race my Scat. It ain't a big race. This race is really for my brother. My brother's gonna be racing my friends, my dogs. Audi S3?
Yeah.
Stock. My brother got a 5.7. 2016 RT, Charger RT. So it should be good. Should be decent. Here in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? This long path. Waiting on my brothers right now, cause that's the race that's the main event, cause obviously Big Daddy Scat is smoking everything on the block right now. Plus it's a couple meets tonight, but I don't know if I'm gonna go, cause people talking about going to the bar. I don't know, we gonna see. See my teeth? Yeah, shiny. My brother, he better hurry the fuck up, dude. I hate waiting. I really do, cause he's supposed to be here, but he be dragging like, my brother, he got a 5.7, but it's like he don't really like to, he have fun, but he ain't really into like the car meets and all that other stuff. He just drives. That's what it seemed like. You know, he never really showed me no real interest. Like, yeah, like he'd go to a car meet, yeah. But like anything else other than a car meet, he just gonna pull up, chill. But racing and any other thing, that ain't him. So he just ride. He just like to ride. Well, I like to ride too. I don't really do too much crazy stuff either. It be tempting though. But as soon as my brother get here, we're gonna get this little, cause it's really my brother, my 2016 Charger RT versus the Audi S3. They both stock. Only thing my brother got, his car is straight pipes. That's it. That's straight pipes, and that's it. Nothing crazy. He don't even got the basics. No air intake, nothing. So we gonna see. He got fresh tires though, so we gonna see. It should be a good match. Should be a good match. Peace. All right. Finally, the main event. My brother's 5.7 versus the S3. Finna get it cracking. They gonna get it raced. I'm gonna have them start right here. I'm gonna be down there. I'm gonna be right where I want them to stop. I'm gonna have my flash on my phone, and that's where they gonna stop at. Are y'all lined up?
Yeah. Yep.
Hold on. I think I'm gonna record a different way. Hold on.
Record it on the snap too.
I'm gonna record it on my regular.
Well, I don't know if that's long enough, man.
Hold on.
You gonna hope there's not enough road, bro.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna record it for. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. When I say go, go. But it's gonna be a little pause, all right?
Are you gonna count down?
Huh?
Are you gonna count down?
No, it's just gonna be like, are you marked? Get set, and it's gonna be a pause, so y'all just gotta be ready.
All right.
So let me know when y'all ready.
I'm ready.
On your mark, get set, go.
I took my traction on my back, bro. It's like a dick.
Go.
What just happened?
Set. Go. Set. Go. Ooh. What's up? What's going on, YouTube, man? I done brought my car to his first car meet. This is the third location. I think it's the third location, but everybody's cool. Oh, fuck. The police. It is? I was finna say, police got us again. Police got us again. I was finna say, we out of here. Look at my brother. Finally. We had lost him in traffic. I guess GPS took him somewhere else. But shit, it's getting fat though. It's a cool little spot. Little spot.
Now the ambulance probably going to
I got a feeling the boy's gonna come though. Shut it down because they didn't shut down all the other locations.
It's more than golf though.
Yeah, this is. But it's in Keystone right by Broad Ripple, but all the police probably occupied by like everything going on in Broad Ripple, so shit, we gonna see, man. I got my sisters with me, you know what I'm saying? Got my sisters with me. My sister, my brother right here, he took my sister right here, my blood sister, to a car meet last week, and she loved it. See, this is why the car meets get shut down, though, because they can hear that shit. Like we live in, well, not live, but this is like a residential area. Like, this is like the shop I live in. This neighborhood is outside of the stores. So, shit like that. You know, so all we hear is noise. Well, I don't hear that shit. Oh yeah, I think my last video, I was racing the Audi S3. I think I'm gonna just add this video to that one. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to see when I edit it. When I edit it, I also need to explain what was going on. I just got racing footage, but I ain't got nothing explaining like what was going on. So I do want to see somebody slide they shit though. This is enough room. I don't even want to get out because if the boys go, we gotta be close to the car. I'm just sitting here burning gas though. My car coming off. I ain't with that. Sheesh. But shoot, if I find some more action, you gonna see me again. Oh, as y'all can see, we done made it to the right location. We wasn't at the right location last location. We had to go to the fourth location. Now we here. Yes, Sirski. Look, it's fat. Motherfuckers clowning, burning out, racing. Yeah.
What's up, y'all?
My sister.
Make sure y'all follow me on
She like coming to the
Instagram.
meet. Yeah. Got the bikes out here. The bikes on airbags. I see my baby though. Gotta get the phone. Sorry, had to get the phone. search. That's all. They need some new brakes or something.
Walk in the back, did it, pop like I'm did it. 1, 2, 3.
So I'm off the top. I see my baby. I don't want to do this. I want to drive a little too crazy for me. Yeah, I got the Scatty out. My brother got the 5.7 out. It's too fat. Like I've been here one time. I ain't never seen it this fat. My camera focused, man. Come on, focus, man. Alright, it's back clear now. It took a minute. It took a minute for it to get clear. But yeah, we're back good now. People hanging out the windows, they crazy. Crash. I don't know what they all playing that song. Sorry, my bad being a bad character. I'm about to cut that part. Got a burnout down there. Can't see it. It's all Brought my baby to the first, well, I guess, yeah, first car meet. First car meet. Yeah, there we go. Now it's clear as day. You can see everything now. People pulling in, they ain't nowhere to park, bro. Man, this video might be all over the place. I want to see some races though, but it's too fat. It's too fat, man. Oh yeah. I almost dropped the camera. That was I see you. I'm trying to get a thumbnail while I'm trying to record and stuff. I'm missing all the action. I'm about to take a picture of them right here, hanging out the window. Uh-oh. Oh man, they clowning. It's like a music video They turned up. Them probably little ass girls. Niggas are sick. They know them little girls, man. Nigga, motherfuckers need to go home. Messing with the little girls. I'm about to send my daughter location early. Yeah, man, I can't just keep sitting here. I don't know. I'm gonna come back when it's some action, man. I'm trying to see some races. I don't know what location this is. This is like the 7th, 10th location, but it's lit though. This is way better than the other one. If something was to pop out, we could just dip out. Plus, I'm closer to the crib anyway. Still got my sisters with me. These dogs clowning though. This is what I'm talking about, some action. This is what I needed. No kizzy. He about to go crazy though. Shit, he really gonna need tires tomorrow. This is the second time doing this shit. Yeah. I'm good, man. I like it. His tires is through though. Real for real. I ain't got money like him. He got new tires. Yeah, hell no. That's $1,300. Would that be like $800 a tire? Oh yeah. I'm cool. My brakes is already hot anyway. Racing on the highway. Yeah, we need some more action, man. Not my brakes, my rotors. My rotors is hot. Racing and clowning on the highway and having to brake so hard. Cool. I ain't gonna mess up my brakes tonight. Not tonight. I got new tires too, but I gotta go pick them up from Discount Tire. Man, it's a cool night. It's like my really first meet, man. But like I said, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to make another video, maybe Monday when I get time to edit. Five sevens, man. I don't know. You gotta be real good to slide a 5.7. That might not even be a 5.7. It could be a 6.1. No, it ain't no 6.1 either. I don't know, but I think it's a 5.7. You gotta be good to slide a 5.7, man. Because like they don't spin the right way, like a Scatpack could. We got a Camaro. Chevy gang. Chevy gang. Oh, I thought he was gonna spin it. He ain't finna spin it. He had everybody fooled. They talking about they want me to spin it. I'm like, hell nah, I don't got no tire money. I'm broke. Shit, I'm just out here for fun. I can't do it. We got bikes. It's fat outside though. Like for real. Like look at the scenery. Like finally we got a location that's solid. There's people everywhere. All the way in the back. All type of shit. Surprised the boys ain't came because we not too far away from the station either. We have another contender? Nah. We know better than that. Finally figure out how to get my damn camera out of focus too. Yeah, man. I'm not getting out there to spin. If I get some more practice, I would. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. No, not me. Man, I don't know. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when so we get some more action. I got like 2 bars left. Oh, no.